Good morning. This brand new product has arrived from Just4youonlineUK. It's not resin. It comes into two parts, a powder base and a liquid activator. I've never used it. As you can see, it's all sealed up. It arrived yesterday late afternoon, and I want to try and create something with this. You don't need gloves, you don't need a respirator, it's food safe. I also received a mould. It's an oval soap dish, trinket tray dish. So I'm going to try and do something with this. You'll have to bear with me because this is my first time using this product. And we're basically going to do it together. So I've got my mould. You have very little amount of working time. I think it's 10 minutes. So I'm going to prepare stuff and then I'll mix it and then we'll see. So I want to put some gold leaves on this little tray first. Okay. So, having never done this, I want to try a marble look. So I'm going to use black pigment powder and ivory. I have, at the moment, no idea of the quantities. So I've got 1 cup that I will mix it into and then separate them into 2 cups for my 2 colors. Then slightly mix them together and pour. I have no idea about the quantities, so I'm going to start with 50 grams of liquid, and then you need 2.5 times the quantity of your liquid in powder. So 50 grams of liquid would give me 125 grams of powder. 50 grams of liquid. And now I need 125 grams of the powder. Okay. And mix. That's not going to be enough, Val. Okay, got to do this again. That's not going to be enough. So zero it. Another 50 grams. And another 125. So mix. Okay, so there, and I'm just going to divide that. Rid of that. Let's just move you out of the way for a second. I have no idea of the amount of color needed, so just going to put a little bit in first and see what I get. I always say you can add more, but you can't take it away. So I have a lumpy beige. Having to work really fast with this. I'm not sure how much powder it can take. So we've got a grey. instead of a full black. That's okay. So I'm just going to pour and just mix them roughly. And let's go for it. And that's it, I believe. We'll see what happens. I think it needs to, well, to harden. So you've got 10 to 20 minutes of working time, and drying time is apparently 20 to 40 minutes. And you can unmold after 1 to 2 hours. And it can be sanded after 2 hours. So we'll see. Thanks for watching. Hello, I'm back. It's been 2 hours since I made this in front of you. And oh God, the unmolding is so easy. I mean, no issues whatsoever. And that's what it looks like. So I've got a couple of bubbles, but for the first one, I'm quite happy. That's the sides, the back, and I'm just going to lightly sand it so the edges are smooth. But that's it done. What do you guys think? Yes? No? Anyway, I really enjoyed doing this. Lots of love to all of you, and I will see you guys later. Bye!